y'all, what's up, what you doing, how's life? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, we're gonna do a hair review in this car because I don't have my camera, so if the quality changes, you know that's why. Hold on, let me turn this down. You know that's why. Yeah, but the sun's like right here, so everything should go out okay. I think so. Okay, so I got this hair on AliExpress. I don't remember like right now the name of the company, but I'll definitely like, you know, put it right there so y'all can see, you know, so y'all know. Yeah, so this is from AliExpress. Out of a 10, I'll give this hair a 7. The only reason I'm gonna give it a 7 is because of how it sheds. This thing sheds like a dog. Hold on. Do y'all? I got a few strands of hair. Okay, like I'm not getting a lot right now, I guess, but when I'm styling or brushing it out, I definitely get a lot. Like this sheds like a dog. I did dye the hair. Oops. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm really scared of trying colors, so I didn't do too much. Like I didn't go crazy. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll just hold it. Yeah, the hairs, yeah, like I was saying, I dyed the hair. I don't know if y'all could really see it or not. I dyed it yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? Let me just, yeah, I'm so sorry. I had to turn on my emergency lights. But yeah, so I just dyed it yesterday. And I installed it by myself. So if I have a couple mistakes, especially right here, so this is not a perfect install or anything. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's not a perfect install. It took me about, I want to say it took me about 2 hours to do everything, like to bleach it, to style, this is not, yeah, it took about like 2 hours, so it wasn't that long. And the hair's super long, y'all. This was 22 inches, and I'm pretty tall myself. I'm like 5'6", and it reaches down here, so it was definitely true to length. It's very thick as well. Like I wasn't expecting it to be that thick, because AliExpress really used to try me. Like I would get hair and it would just be, you know, bad. Okay, let me stop lying. Let me stop shitting on AliExpress. It would not be bad, but it would be like, you know, like not something you'd rave about. Like just a hair you get just because it's cheap, not because, you know, you got it for the hype or whatever. So it takes bleach, the knots bleached well. What else? Take bleach out of it. It looks really nice, as you can see. I really like it a lot, and y'all already told y'all about my lace, so oh my gosh, it's not perfect, but it's my first try, so you know, that's what we gotta deal with. So yeah, I really love it, and I will link the vendor down below. And it has been a battle with me and this damn camera. But y'all, like I was saying, this hair is actually pretty good. Okay, since you want to be like that. Anyways, so y'all, this hair is pretty good. I believe I paid $120 for it, and it's 22 inches, so definitely a great investment for it being that long. I've had it now since my birthday, which was June 27th, and I got it installed before. So I had it for June, July, August, September. We're in September now, and this is my second install. So y'all, I think you're getting a bang for your buck. And they were having a sale, like a summer sale. I don't know if they're still having the sale, but like I said, I'll list everything down below. And oh, welcome to my channel, y'all. Like I'm gonna be doing, well, I do natural hair stuff, blah blah blah. I like to put on wigs. I just cut my hair. I did the big chop, so you know, link down below to all of that. Fuck with me. I'm just kidding. I don't. Subscribe to me if you want to see my face again. You know, I'm nice, I'm cool, I try to be cool. depending on who you ask. But like I said, it's a 7 out of 10 because of the shedding, so I took 3 points off. And other than that, if you don't mind shedding, go ahead, purchase this bomb hair from AliExpress, because it is bomb. Ooh, come on. Purchase this bomb hair from AliExpress, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And please, like, can you interact with me on social media? Because I have like I have an Instagram specifically for my YouTube page, and they be liking my stuff, but nobody be commenting or anything. Like, I'd be like, oh guys, what is your hair type, you know? Like, I did the post last night, and nobody even commented. I was just like, well, damn. So y'all should go, you know, fuck with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I follow back. I'm really nice. And, you know, don't be afraid to talk to me. Okay, I'm blabbering. But thank you guys for watching once again, like the final time. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.